Hello kids, welcome back to challenge. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name. Yellow color, yellow color. Green color, green color. Brown color, brown color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Red color, red color. Kids now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for ant. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids now to C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Kids now to E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use brown color, brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids now to G. G for guard, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use blue color, blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids now to I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And use yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw J. J for joker. The alphabets of J. Kids now to K. K for kite. The alphabets of K. And use red color, red color. Kids again use red color and draw L. L for lion. Kids now to M. M for moon. The alphabets of M. And use yellow color, yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The alphabets of N. Kids now to O. O for orange. The alphabets of O. And use green color, green color. Kids again use green color and draw P. P for parrot. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids now to Q. Q for queen. And use brown color, brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw R. R for rose. The alphabets of R. Kids neither S. S for sun. The alphabets of S. And here's blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher. The alphabets of T. Kids neither U. U for umbrella. The alphabets of U. And here's yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw V. V for vanilla. Kids neither W. W for wolf. The alphabets of W. And here's red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw X. X for X-ray. The alphabets of X. Kids neither Y. Y for yolk. The alphabets of Y. And here's yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Kids today draw A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for god, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jackfruit, K for king, L for lion, M for moon, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for teacher, U for umbrella, V for vanilla, W for wolf, X for X-ray, Y for yolk, and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.